Oh God, that was kind of racist. Let me hear. Let me hear. Turn on. Let's hear it. What's on? Fire, fire, fire.
No fire.
Pum, pum, pum.
キャタライザーついてる。
Oh my God. Well, let me get this drone ready. Chill, chill. God. Damn, Rome, you got a new car?
I wish.
Yeah, he does.
I drove NSX one time. No, twice. I wouldn't let Rome drive this. I'm just saying. Will, Tomoko fought again. It's the first sunrise. Yeah, cuz. Shut up, Rich. Shut up. Stop laughing, mother.
I'm sorry. Lo siento.
I don't know if one of these guys maybe have maybe picked it up. You seen it? You got it? Akimashita arigatou gozaimasu.
I lost my drone dance. I lost my drone dance. Savage. Bully. Yeah, y'all get in here. Y'all get in here. Video. Oh shit, if I block me out, you don't block me wrong. B block what? B block?
Peacock everyone. Peacock, peacock, peacock. Peacock.
You're gonna be crying.
I don't care anymore.
でも、リッチは、
Mm-hmm.
he will go King Cafe because he can't wait.
Well, I just want to make a public service announcement for all you that said that my drone fell in the ocean and all that other crap, lying about it falling in the ocean, blah, blah, blah. As you can see, as I told you before, my drone went on a short vacation. Said it was coming back within about 2 to 3 weeks. So for all you people out there that said it fell in the ocean, or you was out there flip flopping and floop floop and bloop, and yeah, that's what you thought. Did you see it happen? No, you didn't see it happen. As you can tell, my buddy just came back from vacation and he's alive and well. Alive and well, ain't that right? Alive and well. Look at this. I'll tell you the truth, boy, I swear.